everyone, it's Connor back from This Old Farm. And
I'm using the bathroom.
No, he's not. A sneak peek into Rick's life.
Take that. Fixing the air compressor.
He might have video for you, unless he gets lazy.
There's probably going to be that. Where the fuck did I put the GoPro?
Okay. We gonna film each other?
Well, I was going to put this back together on it.
How do you lose your GoPro?
It's over here.
He's good at losing things. Tape measures, GoPros, wrenches.
I lose everything. Fuck it.
Yeah, you do. Wait, there's gonna be a lot of car horns in my video.
There's going to be a lot of what?
Car horns. My bleeping.
Oh.
Alright, we'll go outside and leave him to...
You act like you don't swear on your shit.
Yeah, but I also bleep mine out. So, anyways, we're working on the Cub today. We got our parts from Steiner in, well, the alternator came in on Wednesday, and the rest, the radiator and all that stuff came in on Thursday. We got heat shrink connections. We got pipe tape, Teflon tape. We have a wiring diagram on the paper, and we're gonna enter into the whatchamacallit, and here we are. I did mock up the alternator already, just to see how things were gonna look, and it looks good. So I'm gonna sit down here, get a little bit situated, get some tools in here, and we'll start working on doing some wiring and stuff, and then we'll move on to the original issue of the radiator, and then yeah, we'll talk to you guys in a second. So I know you guys are probably gonna be mad at me because a lot has changed since we left off with putting the spark plugs in, but yeah. Radiators in, alternators in, wiring's in, the little dash is in, dash / rear support, rear tank hood support. Yeah, it's time to put that on, that hood on. That's kind of exciting. All right, we're gonna put the hood on. It's a little bit heavy with all the gasoline in it. Oh, okay. All right. I'd say we are in place. We're gonna start putting some bolts and screws and stuff in, and we'll bring you guys back. All right, so we're all pretty much ready to go. Batteries hooked up, alternators hooked up. We got fluid in the radiator, so I think we're gonna give it a test fire here. So I'm gonna sit you guys on the Argo. Somewhere like there, how about? And I'm gonna have to run the choke from off the side of the tractor as we normally do. Hold on. Okay, Dinkle Fritz here managed to poke the button trying to level you guys. So, all right, here we go. Real quick. Wipe the mess off. All right. We're in neutral. You want some choke? somebody didn't turn the gasoline on. That'll help, won't it? Ooh, we forgot to take that down. So, we got this fancy little homemade stick with a notch out of it. This is the fuel on off. Ooh. That's gonna be fun to get to. This will probably get edited out, but alright, fuel's on. Doesn't look like we're leaking around it any. Alright, I guess let's try this again here. Come on. She's ornery this year. Definitely puts a load on it, that's for sure. The little engine. But once that gets charged up, it won't have to work so hard to charge the battery back up, and we'll be doing pretty good. So I'm gonna shut it down. I see I have a bolt I need to tighten up yet on the starter, and then we'll go from there. It sure does run nice though. It sounds pretty good now too with the nice new spark plugs and spark plug wires. Oh boy, we got some trouble. We got some trouble. It's not shutting off with the button like it's supposed to. And well, it's the next day. It's Sunday now, about Sunday 12 o'clock ish. Not that that makes any difference to you guys what time it is, but here he sits. So we've got our trouble. It's not shutting off, and what it looks like is going on is the alternator's back feeding into the hold on, back feeding from one of these two wires down into the resistor. So what I'm gonna have to do is I did a little bit of testing last night, and it's definitely the alternator. It's not the ignition switch, because before the alternator starts charging, you can shut the tractor off. As soon as the alternator starts charging, then you can't shut it off. So I have to test to see if my inline diode that I put in is any good. You can't really inside of the heat shrink tubing there. I have to do a test with an ohm meter on that. See if that's bad or not, and if that's bad, well then the alternator is got problems inside. So at least it runs good. It sounds pretty decent. It sounds better than it did with the old set of plugs and stuff. It starts really nice still. So that's gonna be it though, you guys, for this week. I don't think anything else is gonna be going on today. I'm not gonna work on this. It's too cold outside and it's windy, and I just don't really feel like messing with it. So we're gonna leave it sit there. So yeah, I don't think anything else is gonna be happening today, so we'll call our quits here now on the video. Thank you for watching, everybody. Hopefully you enjoyed getting to see us do a little bit of tractor work again. And I know it's been a while because of that project there, but yeah. So anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you guys all next time.